People are constantly asking me, old money prices, how do I get the most value out of my coins? Whether they have a coin collection or they came across a rare coin in their pocket change. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know, so make sure you sit tight and pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you. So let's hop into it. Condition. Now we're going to go over some 2022 Wilma Mankiller quarters that sold for some decent money here. So the first thing you need to understand is that 70 is the highest achievable grade you can get on your coin, and that's the grade everyone's trying to get to, because a single grade difference can mean a lot of money being left on the table. So I'll tell you this, guys, a lot of people that are submitting these coins are either dealers or people trying to take their shot and taking a risk at getting a high graded coin. Let's take this coin right here for example. So this one is pretty much the grade that you want to achieve when it comes to grading. I mean, this person is 1 point away from the perfect grade of 70. They hit that 69 grade. This coin, guys, sold for $500 for this one little coin. So it's very important to understand that the grading process includes the price you pay to ship your coin off. If you submit a lot of coins and you have a high value coins, you're going to want to have some sort of insurance. In this case, they're relatively cheap coins, so you don't need to worry about insurance. Also, you have the grading fees involved. Grading can be very costly and it can be a bit risky if you don't know what you're doing. Essentially, you could lose a lot of money if you just think that you're going to get very high grades. Now, let me show you the difference of 1 point. So let's hop into the next coin. So this coin graded 2 points lower at a 67. So this is a natural auction that went live. It's a genuine listing. It's not a fake listing or anything like that we've gone over in previous videos, but it sold for $55. So you can see the difference. We went from $500 for a 69 all the way down to $55 for a 67. Now you need to understand that the person paid money for the coin, they paid money for shipping, and then they paid money for the grading fee. And on top of that, when they sold the coin, they paid eBay money as well as a fee. So they probably did not make that much money on this coin at all. This next coin here, it graded 1 point lower at a 66. This coin only sold for $8, guys. Grading fees cost more than that. So this person 100% lost money on doing this. And this is the risk, guys. This person has to pay eBay fees. They have to pay shipping fees. They have to pay grading fees. They have to pay all of these fees. And they only sold this coin for $8. Now, guys, this one right here is the same grade. It sold for 61 cents with $5 shipping. It only sold for $6. For this person to ship the coin to the buyer probably cost them about $3. So there's half their profit there. I mean, there's just no money on the table. If this person, let's say for example, if this person sent off 100 of these coins and they all graded at a 66, this person's losing hundreds or thousands of dollars. So this is the reality of what a lot of people go through when they're getting their coins graded. You know, you have to understand the type of coin, the market of the coin. And the crazy part is there are people who are doing this full time. They're dealers. They're really into it and they're losing money on these coins simply because these brand new coins, you know, the market is so volatile. You never really know what you're going to hit, if you're going to get that really high grade or not. And then if you get the grade, you want to have to sell the coin as quickly as possible before the market falls. It's very risky. Obviously, this is not financial advice whatsoever. Do your homework and research. Like I always tell everyone, I always like to be very conservative with my grades. I say, hey, this coin looks really nice. Sure, I would love for it to hit the 69 or 70 grade. You know, the first example I showed you in this video was a 69 and it sold for $500. Now imagine if you submitted 100 of them and they all got that high of a grade. You'd make so much money. But again, it's a complete risk when you're going about doing that, and the probability is pretty low. So you got to do your homework, do your research. Be very careful when you send your coin off to get graded. NGC and PCGS are reputable companies. They will take care of you and your coin, but you got to do the homework on your end to make sure that your grades are accurate, because at the end of the day, we're not professionals. We don't do this all day like these guys do. You know, NGC and PCGS, they are the experts. And sure, they do make mistakes from time and time again, but for the most part, they wouldn't be where they're at if they weren't consistent and accurate graders. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube says you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. So click on that video and I'll see you inside.